Hello again, thanks for joining me for some more Good Times on a Dime travel tips. Again, if you haven't checked out the full Iceland episode, you can see that right here on my YouTube page. And this is a little tutorial about how to buy groceries on a budget in Iceland. As you can see, I'm there drinking a water bottle and blabbering away. I'm basically telling the camera about Bonus Grocery Store. So if you're renting a car and you're driving around the ring road, which a lot of tourists want to do, which is a great experience, you're going to want to look out for Bonus Grocery Store. Basically a budget market. You'll find everything that you need, good quality food, good quality items, but they'll be regular prices, so you won't hurt your pocketbook too much. Now, food is very expensive in Iceland, especially if you're going to restaurants and even fast food places. You know, street food is even expensive. So this is the place where you can get the famous dried fish of Iceland. You can also pick up the extremely gross hakarl, but you should try it out. And they're scattered throughout the ring road, so you won't go probably more than 2 or 3 hours without seeing a bonus. Now you can pick up some food items at gas stations, other pretty decent supermarkets, and if you're in Reykjavik, there is one Bonus grocery store, but you're going to pay a lot for your food. If you have extra room in your suitcases, bring along some snacks and stuff. But if you want to camp and you want to cook your own food, going to Bonus, you can find a lot of soups and ramen noodles and different types of things that you can heat up yourself. Thank you so much for joining on this little tutorial on Iceland. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and once again, check out the full Iceland Good Times on a Dime episode. Thanks, see you next time.